we have to keep the ticket, huh?
And the ticket is full.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the long one. The 20, 25 on the tour. The tickets, the tickets is on the way.
So we keep the ticket, huh?
Yes, the tickets are you. Say the tickets is on the way.
So pick up is here, the same. Pick up.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
come here, yes.
All right, Senor. Thank you very much for
Adios,
the
thank you.
good servicio. Wow.
Gracias, gracias, sir. Thank you.
Good servicio. We are now in Ensenada. Beautiful day in Ensenada. This is the bus we took. Yes, yes, yes. And this is Rome. Rome, galing, huh? Ticket tour, check-in, coffee. Parang iba yung binabaan natin, no?
Yeah, doon tayo
Wow. It's different, yeah. Rolling. I want to buy Ensenada. Ang ganda. Wala pa akong ganito. May panlalaki ba ito? Pwede na ito, no? Tanong ko. Down in the city. How much this?
10?
How much?
10?
$10? Oh.
Coffee bag, darling.
This is $10. Rolling. Sana 5 na lang, no?
Ako gusto ko yung
$10. Mamili kami. Ha?
binili mo na.
Hindi pa. How much is this? $10. Oh, not $5, huh?
Take you for 8.
Yeah.
So you follow me.
More styles.
Oh. 8. He said $8. Pwede din. Yeah. 8.
The restaurant's right up there.
May anong gusto mo? Ang ganda, no?
Ganun na ano, pero gusto ko plain. Ayaw ko may mga...
Mm.
Tenga buenos días.
Gantong